Welcome to SuiteTrails. In this video, we're taking you on a virtual tour of Positano, Italy, showcasing 7 must-see and must-do places that you can't miss when visiting this stunning coastal town. Let's dive in and explore the beauty of Positano together. Italy Waves Sunface #Positano #Italy #travel guides. Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description. Number 1. Immerse yourself in the breathtaking beauty of the Amalfi Coast as you cruise across its deep blue waters. Enjoy a hotel transfer in Sorrento and discover the quaint towns of Positano and Amalfi on a full-day boat tour with prosecco, snacks, and a limoncello tasting included. Start the day by being picked up from your hotel and arrive at the marina. After checking in, allow the staff to help you get to your boat and set sail toward Amalfi. Sit back and admire the coastline and, if the weather allows, enjoy a swim and photo stop. Disembark in Amalfi and enjoy 1.5 hours of free time. Receive information about the area from your guide and stroll around at your own pace to explore the sights of your choice. Once back on the boat, begin the journey to Positano for more free time on land. After all your sightseeing, make your way back to the boat and sail toward another idyllic swimming location. Enjoy drinks and snacks on board as you navigate back to the marina. Before docking, taste some delicious homemade limoncello, then be helped toward the vehicle that will drive you back. Number 2. Immerse yourself in 3 stunning Italian towns on this day trip from Naples. Shop in boutiques, taste limoncello, and enjoy a light lunch on this relaxing day to remember. Depart Naples and journey to Sorrento and admire the beauty of the landscape along the way. Listen to informative commentary during the journey. Stop to taste some of the local limoncello liqueur made from lemons, and then wander the narrow streets for up to an hour. Pop into artisan shops and sample the local delicacies. Continue to Positano and get approximately 1 hour to go to the beach or admire the colorful flowers in the summer. Shop for the traditional Moda Positano clothes before going to a nice restaurant on the coast to enjoy lunch on a terrace with breathtaking sea views. Next, enjoy up 1 hour of free time in Amalfi. Visit the cathedral or relax on the beach with a handmade ice cream. Please note, tours to the Amalfi Coast, given the cliffside nature of the coastal road, may experience unexpected itinerary changes due to potential rockfalls. As a responsible agency, we strive to inform our clients promptly. However, road closures and itinerary changes often occur within a few hours, making it impossible to notify each client individually. Therefore, when creating an alternative itinerary, we aim to include as many destinations from the original itinerary as possible and add any new, beautiful, and interesting destinations or experiences to provide a service equal to or better than the one originally booked. Number 3. Amalfi Coast boat trip with lunch in Conca dei Marini. Enjoy an unforgettable experience aboard a comfortable boat with a local skipper, who will guide you to discover the hidden and wild corners of the Amalfi Coast. Number 4. Visit the Amalfi Coast on a day trip from Naples. Number 5. Board an Amalfitan Gazzo boat for a scenic ride along the Amalfi Coast. Number 6. Take a break from the busy city of Rome on this unique and scenic adventure. Our tour will offer you the opportunity to discover the Amalfi Coast from an unforgettable perspective, that of a fantastic boat cruise on the sea to observe and discover any corner of the Amalfi Coast which docks in Positano and Amalfi. A comfortable air-conditioned bus takes us from Rome to the Salerno harbor. In just a short time, you will board your cruise ship as you prepare to set sail for Positano. Here, you will have free time to explore the incredible seaside town of Positano. Marvel at its winding roads, discover its myriad local shops, and enjoy some time on the stunning beaches of Positano where there's no such thing as too many pictures. Once you are back on the boat, your guide will prepare you for your next stop, the lovely town of Amalfi. Here, you will have time to discover one of the most ancient cities of Italy and its astonishing views, cuisine, and immersive culture. Our tour also provides you with a special opportunity to visit the incredible Amalfi Cathedral, which is an incredible Roman Catholic Duomo dedicated to Apostle St. Andrew. Discover its classic relics and renowned architecture, or simply continue to roam the iconic streets of Amalfi. In Amalfi, you will also have time to taste the town's most famous local product, limoncello. Visit one of the oldest artisanal limoncello producers in town, and learn just how the delicious liquor is produced. With your bags packed full of local delicacies, you'll enjoy the views from the boat one final time before taking a comfortable drive back to Rome. Take a well-deserved rest, watch the beautiful countryside, or spend some time planning your next trip to the Amalfi Coast, because one visit is never enough. Number 7. Set sail for Capri on this sightseeing cruise. Depart from Praiano, Positano, or Amalfi and marvel at the beauty of the Amalfi Coast from the sea. Cruise around Capri and past the White Grotto, Arco Natural, Casa Malaparte, and the Faraglioni Rocks. Stop for a swim at Marina Piccola, sail towards the lighthouse of Punta Carena, and take an optional and not guaranteed trip to the Blue Grotto, entrance fee not included. Continue to Marina Grande and get 3 to 4 hours of leisure on the island. Enjoy a glass of Prosecco, soft drinks, and snacks on board. Benefit from another chance to swim on the return journey to the Amalfi Coast in the late afternoon. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.